Ever seen a website promising a $750 Target gift card just for completing a few simple steps? It sounds like an easy win, but before you rush in, you might want to know what's really happening behind the scenes. Today, we're taking a closer look at orodeals.com, a site that has been circulating online with claims that users can quickly earn a large reward by completing a few tasks. At first glance, the offer looks tempting. The page usually shows a big reward banner, countdown timers, and notifications suggesting that other people are receiving their rewards right now. The idea is simple. Complete a few surveys, download some apps, or sign up for certain offers, and you should qualify for the promised gift card. However, once users begin the process, things tend to become more complicated. Instead of a quick task or two, the system often leads to multiple steps, additional surveys, and different offers that must be completed before moving forward. Many people report that the process keeps extending, making it difficult to actually reach the final reward stage. Another thing to consider is that the website doesn't appear to have any clear official connection with Target or other major brands mentioned in the promotion. The page may also include urgency messages like recent winners or limited time alerts, which can create pressure to keep completing tasks quickly. In reality, these types of reward sites often operate through affiliate marketing systems where the main goal is getting users to sign up for offers, share information, or download apps. This can sometimes result in promotional emails, spam messages, or even subscription offers appearing later. Because of these factors, it's important to stay cautious when dealing with reward websites that promise large prizes for simple actions. Taking a moment to research a site like orodeals.com before participating can help you avoid wasting time or sharing personal details on platforms that may not deliver the results people expect.